Unlock the power of Moringa Powder. Moringa Powder. This superfood has been used for centuries, and science is finally catching up to its amazing health benefits. If you're looking for more energy, better digestion, glowing skin, and even weight loss, stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. And hey, if you love content about natural health and wellness, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Now, let's get into it. Packed with nutrients. Moringa powder is loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, along with essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. It has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 4 times more calcium than milk. Boosts energy levels. Feeling sluggish? Moringa is a natural energy booster without the crash of caffeine. It's rich in iron and magnesium, which help fight fatigue and keep you feeling refreshed throughout the day. Supports weight loss. Trying to shed some extra pounds? Moringa speeds up metabolism, reduces cravings, and helps burn fat naturally. Plus, it's full of fiber, keeping you full for longer. Improves digestion. Struggling with bloating or gut issues? Moringa's high fiber content supports digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome, helping to flush out toxins and improve overall gut health. Great for skin and hair. Want clear, glowing skin? Moringa is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing wrinkles and acne. It also strengthens hair, making it thick. In 6 minutes,